I would say pancakes are a bread in the same way that naan is a bread. I am the decider. I am the decider. Oh my gosh, you guys, I finished those red pants for iOS. They worked, you're warming up the hyperdrive chopper, will be there in 20 minutes. Oh, thank God someone's gonna come help me eat this stack. I need the help. I was gonna have to freeze half of it. Anyone who picks rice over bread needs to go to the doctor. Whoa, Blady, them's fighting words. Fighting words, Blady. I choose rice, I think. I think I choose rice over the bread. Because rice, it's like you've got fried rice, you've got pudding, you've got mochi, you've got rice means no pizza. Whoa, Kodali, I'm taking it back. I'm going bread. My opinion is you do not have to go to the doctor.
Your bread timer is done.
Ziggy, stop. More vitamins, less carbohydrate. Oh my God, Jody, yes. That's so funny. What is this delightful debate about? Oh, Dak, rice or bread for the rest of your life, you have to choose one or the other. Go. Mochi has been decided to be a rice, but not a bread. Naan and other Indian breads, however, flatbreads are bread. You could live without pizza? Reno, what the heck? Are you an alien? I don't understand. I don't understand. Fruit loaf, bread, fruit loaf. That just shouldn't even be a thing. Pizza's like once a week dinner. Here you have Sam yogurt. You know it's soured on pizza, all your fault. Can make pizza with cauliflower, I've heard. Ooh, Dak, so true. Focaccia, bread. Love focaccia. Oh, Reno. That's too bad. Pizza has good cauliflower crust, shockingly. Interesting, yogurt. I guess, yeah, you would know. Rice kills me. You don't like rice, Dak? You used to love pizza. Oh, poor Reno. I'm so sorry it's been soured for you. What I really want to do is dip this bread in my goulash right now. See how it's turning out. Oh, sorry, Dak. That sucks. Oh my God. Get out. That's so stupid good. Right, Jody? Yes, edible spoon for sure. Oh, it's so good. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. I'm so excited. Like I said, I only had donuts today, so I'm hoping that I will get a real meal before too long.